This is the map of Slovakia. The 20th century started off with the Slovaks being ruled by Austria-Hungary, and after World War I, the Slovaks joined the Czechs to create Czechoslovakia in 1918 and elected Tomáš Masaryk president of the new country, and soon the country boomed in industry. Oh no, looks like Germany's going to carve out parts of Czechoslovakia, and so is Hungary and Poland going to do the same thing. And a happy Czechoslovak remains lunch to all. Cheers, have a good life, man. Now it's your turn, Poland. Oh crap, well, I'm not gonna do anything about that. Ooh, can I help? And Slovakia made alliance with the Third Reich for the entire time when World War II was being a biggie. There were even some Cold War unlock. Okay, I'm not going to repeat the same thing every time I cover a former Eastern Bloc country. In 1968, the Slovaks and the Czechs tried to let go of the hammer and sickle, and did that in the Prague Spring, all encouraged by the reforms of Alexander Dubček, and the rebellion ended with the Czechoslovaks defeated and they remained communist. But like I said in the Czechia episode, or the Czech Republic episode, oh my god, whatever you wanna call it, they didn't give up. So that's why they protested again in the Velvet Revolution in 1989, and they protested right in time for democracy to return. And in 1993, the Czechs declared the Slovaks independence from Czechoslovakia, and the dissolution of Czechoslovakia was the most peaceful dissolution in history, 100% no bloodshed. Then Slovakia joined both NATO and the EU in 2004, and in 2009 Slovakia became the only Visegrad country to use the euros as their currency. And that's it, that's all I have for you. What else do you want? You happy? But anyways. In the modern day, Slovakia is a welcome to millions of tourists every year, the economy is doing fine, oh and its capital is the only one in Europe that borders two countries. What's their life like? Next up is Ireland, so stay tuned. Dovidenia! Actually, I'm not done yet. I still have to answer your question why I took so long making this video. 1. Education was important to me more than YouTube. Basically, I had to focus on school more because it was more important to me again. And 2. I had a field trip to the source of the river Cetina and I accidentally left my phone on the bus and I had it gone for 8 days. And today, I finally got it back. So there you go. And now your big questions have finally been answered. And for real, Dovidenia.